land in his hands. He keeps doing it until it lands in his hands. You're not trying it. I'm putting it closer to it a little.
You want to play that, mates? Don't have a phone. Why can't you get it? Get it through your hands.
That's what he's trying to do.
Well, you should know where it lands.
Oh! I'm trying this. Cole, I don't think you can do it. Cole, you can't do it. Oh! You can't do that.
It takes you more than
It takes you a lot more.
It's like he gets it in one try.
Let it move. No, I want to do it like that. How did you hold it? Did you do this or something?
I was like, no. Here, I was like this. Like this.
This? This? Oh, it went over my hands.
I could have caught that.
I can wait.
Okay, wait. Do it like this.
I don't want to do it no more. I don't want nobody to do anything no more. I cheated because it did this and then I grabbed it. Okay, here. I'm just gonna. I don't want nobody to do it no more.
Hold your knee and let's shoot this.
No, I'm gonna do it like this so I can catch it. Do it no more. Oh, I was close. It went away. Yeah. Wait.
Huh?
What's his phone number?
I don't know. In a minute.
You're not doing backup. Don't do that. No, I don't want to play. You want it.
Let Coven play with it too.
We're trying to do something.
Okay, stop. Let Coven play with it. Coven, go.
He's still there. Huh? Stop it. Stop it. I don't like it. It won't run. Why do you say it won't run? Because if it wins. Oh, that was so awesome. A barrel is right here. Exactly. Oh. Okay, it's our turn.
Are you scared to wrestle, Donovan? Are you scared to wrestle John Cena, the mixed John Cena?
Hey,
Wyatt's scared to wrestle me. Wyatt's scared to wrestle me, but he's not scared to wrestle Madison.
You look like a hedgehog.
Who?
Wyatt. Get him, Coven, get him!
Why it looks like a little monkey?
She fell like foot.
Get him, Coven! Get it! Get it!
No.
You don't hit people's head.
One at a time.
Coven, show me how Thomas the Train works. Go. You. James. You can't do that. Say you're sorry.
Stop it.
Okay, here. I'm going to look at Thomas the Train. James the Train. Okay, here we go.
You put it on right.
Oh, James. There goes James. There goes James going down the track. A long time ago on the island of Sodor,
Hey, you afraid?
there was a beautiful red train, and his name was James. One day, James is going up the track, and behind him is the mean and evil sorceress, Diesel. Harold! Save James from Diesel! Here comes Diesel! Run!
Nope, right try. Let's try again. Hey, Wyatt. Come, give me the flip top. Right, give me the flip top. You're up. Now do it.
Master.
Wait a second, try that again. I have an idea.
Ah!
3, 2, 1. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna make it actually land in it. Thomas on fronds.
On the misty island of Sodor, here comes Diesel. But Harold. Ah! Here he comes!
Seriously, Colvin?
Do it again, quick yakking.
Yeah, here, do it. Wait. Hey. So, on the island
Of Sodor, Sir Topham Hatt demanded Diesel to stop his.
Stop it! Stop it, Colvin! Peter, come in! Oh, so
James!
coming through. Thomas coming through.
James is my friend.
James is coming through.
There goes James. He made it.
You gotta stop messing it up. Stop. Good, fun. Stop it. Okay, stop it. Back where it was. Oh, come stop. One time. Where's Diesel? I don't know.
Diesel ran away. Bye-bye. Diesel is on the island of Diesels.
What?
Diesel left the island of Sodor.
Diesel's right there.
Diesel came back to the island of Sodor?
Let's see if we can. Stop it, Dolphin! Stop it! I just want to see if we can make it in the shoe.
That's it. Another challenge. And a boy gets to it. Yeah. This song is ready.
Yeah. Oh, yes.
He said, oh, yeah?
I'm very in love.
Y'all can't handle Donovan.
You're walking down. I'm very local.
Quit hitting. Hitting too hard.
Whoa, oh, 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 oh. Whoa, oh, 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 oh,
Okay. Okay. Turn the trains off. They're just sitting there. Turn the trains off.
James.
Put my pillows back up in the correct spot. Here's one of them. You know how the pillows. Quit. Quit doing that. Put my pillows in the right spot. Put.
I've been around. Whoa, oh, 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 good people now. Whoa, oh, 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 good people now. Oh, 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 oh.
Calvin's crazy.
Ron Lawson.
Tickle him.
That is, he's the reborn. Calvin's the reborn Ron Lawson. Calvin! Wyatt, y'all gotta stop. Stop.
Stop. And fight.
Calvin's got that swing on him. Here comes the monster! She-Ra! Madison's about to shut it down. You all better run. Run for your life. Run for your life. He said he can handle it.
He said I can't handle it. I can.
No, he said I can. Who's winning? Calvin or Madison?
Madison are winning. Can we just make teams? Go, Coven. Can there be teams? Me and Madison versus you and Coven. Okay, that's.
Madison don't need a teammate.
Me and Wyatt versus Madison.
No. How about all of us versus Madison? Okay.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.
No, Wyatt, say bye to me. Hey. Now look, Wyatt. Look at me. Donovan. Look at me. Say, now. One. Look at me. Say bye.
Hi.
Say, I hope you enjoyed the show. Coven! You're not listening. Say bye. Coven, say bye. Now say it in a different language. No, something else more challenging. Is that all you know is adios? Is that it? You should know. You should know it in Chinese or Japanese. Well,